How's it going, everyone? First off, I want to say this video is not meant to be anything super informative, nor is it meant to be a how-to video. This is just my buddies and I really just getting together last weekend and all kind of working on our cars. The initial plan actually was for me to install the new coilovers on the Turbo X. I did get some footage of it, but after we got one coilover off and we put the new one in, we realized that the end links that are on the car right now are actually aftermarket, made specifically for these coilovers. They're about half the length that I need them to be. So I have some OEM end links on order right now, and those should be here hopefully by the time this video is live. But needless to say, I needed OEM end links to make these new coilovers work, so I couldn't install them. But my friend Lucas was installing a new intercooler, a Crossflow intercooler, because I guess the 9993s didn't come with a Crossflow. Both the inlet and the outlet are on the same side. So we helped him install a Crossflow intercooler as well as a blow-off valve on his 1993 or 1999 93 hatch. He bought both of these parts secondhand. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now. He has a lot of Saabs. He has a 9.5 Dame. He has a 900 convertible. So he buys and sells Saabs all the time. So he has a lot of Saab content, especially if you don't like NG93 videos all the time. Make sure to check out his Instagram. I'll put it on the screen right here so you guys can give him a follow. But the blow-off valve and intercooler were both secondhand, so they weren't new parts. He might be able to give you some more information on them though. But I'm not big on OG93, so I was just kind of there. Because of what was going on with my coilovers, he was kind of working on his car while I was working on this. So I kind of joined in about halfway through. So you'll notice that the first clip you'll see here is pretty much him putting the blow-off valve on, and the bumper and the old intercooler and everything are already off. So again, not meant to be a how-to or informative video, just more of us just having fun getting together and then taking the car for a test drive and seeing how it runs with the new upgraded parts on it. So if you guys want to see more stuff like this in the future though, I'm sure there will be plenty more opportunities, so let me know down below in the comments. Without further ado, enjoy the randomness of this video, I guess. Putting the blow-off valve on right now.
Super minty looking.
Yeah, so crash support's off, this plastic cover's off to route the new intercooler hoses. So our next step is to figure out how to route those intercooler hoses. So that'll be a fun project. Probably somewhere back in here. So he's got a small boost leak here. Pulled this charge pipe off the turbo, and yeah, just small boost leak, nothing major. One side of the charge pipe looks like we're gonna put, this is an aftermarket hose that he got. We're gonna put this end in the intercooler. This side will run right up to the bottom of the turbo here. And then on this side, we'll just be using the stock pipe to connect to the throttle body charge pipe.
Do you want to do a pro tip moment here?
Pro tip?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This is not good for boost. Also, that's not good. You're going to want to replace that.
Gonna want to replace
as soon as you can, but you can get by.
Well, he's gotten by on it. So we're making some progress here. Getting this side on. We finally got the one on the turbo on. That one gave us a little bit of trouble. And then I'm hoping this one will work right here. It'll be a close fit for sure. And hopefully it'll be all good. We've got to connect this up here to the throttle body pipe as well.
We're going to have to tighten this hose first, and then we're going to...
These hoses are very tight fits. You can see that one down there barely getting on right now.
There's a flathead.
This one's giving us some trouble, but we're trying our best. Finally got the intercooler mounted. Now we have one last hose to put on. A bit of struggle. Almost there.
Down below.
It's probably not the way that you should do this. But the brackets, or the mounting points for the stock intercooler, this aftermarket intercooler, which you said it's called like MP or something is the brand. He bought this secondhand, but it's like called an MP. I don't know much about OG93s, but it doesn't have the mounting brackets on it, so I mean, it's holding itself in pretty good, but we're also just going to zip tie it on each side just to be extra safe.
See these right here? Ignore that. Universal mounting brackets.
Universal mounting brackets. Look at those. There's some heavy duty
quality.
Wait, rev it. Let's hear it blow off. guys want to see more content on this car, let me know, because we can definitely film more stuff. I don't think I've even mentioned it yet, but all this car has, now it has the intercooler, it has an exhaust, has a stage 3 tune, has an intake. So it's just got some basic like bolt-on mods, but it looks like it's working. Looks like our job is done. I guess we'll have to take it for a test drive though and really see.
You just hear like a
Yeah.
intercooler charge pipe pulls in. Oh, it's boosting like way quicker, I feel like.
Alright.
Well, that didn't feel good. That was quick.
Alright, so he went in a little bit of boost there and then it just seemed to cut out. So maybe blew a charge pipe. Oh, I don't know.
I think it did.
We're about to find out right here. Yeah, full throttle, that was it.
Yep, that's all she wrote.
Charge pipe off. Oh no! That one blew off.
Success.
Slight adjustments made. Take 2, round 2.
Oh, dude, we can't leave with the front light.
Oh no, front light failure. We better not clear that and clear all of
We
that.
have to take it to our local authorized Saab dealership. Oh.
Contact Saab dealer. Oh, there's a blow off.
Yeah.
Well, the blow off valve is definitely doing its thing.
Do a burnout.
Getting those good pops.
That will get me home, so
I'm happy about
let's
that.
turn around before I blow something off.
Whoa. Alright, alright, alright.
Brother, got this out.
Success. Okay.
Slight flex.
Yeah. Now that that's all in working order, you got all those parts to put back on. The Euro corners in there.
Yeah.
Look a lot better. No more orange over here, it's all clear. It's a cool look. Just got the BBS RK2s. Throw the front bumper on, the grill. We'll be all done.
Now, kind of just gotta get rid of most tap in. This part of the grill's broken. There we go.
There you have it, guys. There's a bunch of random footage from the other day installing a new intercooler and a blow-off valve on my buddy's 1999 9.3 hatch. Pretty cool job. Honestly, wasn't too difficult, especially would have been much more difficult if we were to do the same thing on this car or my 2.0. But I do want to mention what his exhaust setup is real quick, because I already know people are going to ask, so I'm just going to read it here from him. Genuine Saab version 2 downpipe, 3-inch from the turbo back, and then I believe it dumps off somewhere underneath the car. It doesn't run the whole way through, and that thing pops like crazy. It's super loud. It sounds pretty freaking good too, as I'm sure you guys heard in the video. But that's about it. Again, make sure to follow him on Instagram if you want some more OG93 content or just Saab content in general, because like I said, he's got a lot of stuff. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.